Hi guys, you are in channel Chokaway, and today I'm going to make a paper basket. First you need to get an A4 paper and then you fold it in half. And you fold it in and then you fold it again. And then you open it up and do the same thing in the other side. Fold it in half. And then again. So when you open it up, you have 16 squares. So then you cut out a line like here. So you have a square, like you cut these sides and these ones. So guys, now I've cut in these lines, and then we get these two squares and we pull them up on both sides. So yeah, one first. And then you get these ones. So then you glue them in and stick them here. Guys, now I glue these squares in. Both. And then I get these two squares and pull them up, and I get these squares and put them like this. So like this and this. I've glued these squares in, and now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we glue one square and then stick it. And then do the same thing to this square. So guys, I have this like a box, and you have these spare papers. So if you don't want to use them, you can get glue and put glue at the end, at the back of this spare paper. And then you fold it backwards. And then do the same thing to the other side. So guys, this is my box finished. And so I have I cut out this strip from another paper, and then we need to glue these and sides, and we need to glue them here, and you have like a basket. So I'm going to get these gems and put them around the basket. And I've stick some gems on the handle, and you can put these books inside it and many things as well. go to do your crafting. If you liked my video, put like and subscribe to my channel.